Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm working on my 2015 Volkswagen Jetta Mark 6 rear brakes. So I just wanted to show you a little tool tip here. It's nice when you have a nice quality tool. I bought this tool many years ago because I've always worked on Volkswagen. So what it is it's an SP brake caliper tool. It twists this back in. We'll take a little closer look here, but it's made in USA. Part number 85250, but then it has a little connector on the end, and this is what turns it in, and it's 3A is the tool. So this pops on. So what you do is this is made to twist in at the same time while pushing out at the same time. Like twist the little lock, this little thing here for your emergency brake, and pushes it in at the same time, at the same rate. So it's a pretty nifty little tool, so I'm going to show you. First, twist it out the whole way. And you kind of take it. And those little teeth, if you could see them. Here, let me move this out of the way. See the little notches right here on the caliper? These two little pins go on there, and they're aimed to go right into that little slot there. So you take them, you line it up. Line up the holes and you get it there. So then you twist this. It's a left-handed thread, so you kind of twist this out until this is snugged up against here, and your little teeth are pushed inside to that little, into your little brake caliper part here with your little arms. So what I do is I'll take this, I'll snug it up pretty tight, not too tight, but just a little bit, just a little hand tight here. Take a 14mm socket. If you can see that. Oh, no, you can't. How about that? There you go. So then when I turn this, you can see it twists it in at the same time and at the same rate, so you don't ever have to adjust the tool. It goes, it twists right in there. See that? And that's how you set. I think a lot of cars like have this now anymore, but this twists it in, and then your emergency brake slowly twists it back out. And that's how you feel that you're, there you go, you seat it in there. Don't crank it down the whole way and seat it in there. Just snug it up. Just kind of back it back a little bit too. So there you go. So proper tool for the proper job makes things a lot nicer, a lot easier. See, take out, twist that off, and there you go. So see how that's pushed in the whole way? So now you got room to put your new pads on, put your new rotors on. I bought some new rotors and pads and everything all in one shot. So that's it. Just a little thing about this tool. I think it was a very handy tool to have. I invested in it many years ago. I can't ever remember how much I paid for it, but it's a good quality tool. So whenever I do these things, I like to have the right tool for the right job. So again, SP Tools. So look them up. So that's the end of the video. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, stay awesome because you are awesome. Catch you later, guys. Bye-bye.